journey of premium coconut milk begins here, in the heart of the tropical plantation, where mature
Specialized harvesters use precision tools to ensure only the ripest brown coconuts are gathered for the industrial extraction process.
Once loaded, the raw coconuts are immediately transported to the facility to begin the cleaning and extraction phases.
Thousands of coconuts are collected manually every hour to ensure a constant supply for the high-capacity processing lines.
Once loaded, the raw coconuts are immediately transported to the facility to begin the cleaning and extraction phases.
Upon arrival at the facility, the harvest is weighed and prepared for the first stage of industrial cleaning. Massive hydraulic systems facilitate the rapid unloading of tons of raw material, feeding the factory's continuous production line.
The raw coconuts are elevated into the cleaning station, where the transition from field to sterile environment begins. Powerful water jets remove every trace of plantation debris, ensuring the exterior of the fruit is sanitized before processing.
Submersion washing provides a final, thorough soak, preparing the clean coconuts for the mechanical dehusking phase. Cleaned and dried, the coconuts now enter the dehusking stage, where the thick, fibrous outer layer is mechanically stripped away.
Industrial dehuskers apply precisely calibrated pressure to remove the husk without damaging the precious coconut meat inside.
The byproduct fiber is diverted for industrial use, leaving only the clean, hard shells to proceed deeper into the factory.
Every coconut is inspected and polished to ensure no external contaminants can enter the extraction line during the cracking process.
Precision pneumatic systems crack the shells instantly, capturing the internal water while readying the meat for separation.
In the extraction bay, mechanical scoops separate the pure white coconut meat from the hard shells with surgical precision. To ensure the highest quality milk, the brown skin is carefully pared away, leaving only the whitest meat for processing. Human inspectors work alongside automation to guarantee that only flawless coconut meat proceeds to the dicing stage.
The solid meat is now fed into high-speed dicers, breaking down the bulk material into manageable, uniform pieces.
This dicing process increases the surface area of the coconut, ensuring maximum efficiency during the upcoming extraction of the rich milk.
Precision cutting ensures the coconut milk meat is perfectly sized for the high-torque grinding process that follows.
Now, the solid pieces enter the primary grinder, where they are crushed into a thick, concentrated coconut milk base.
Through intense friction and pressure, the coconut is reduced to a fine paste, releasing the natural oils and flavors for the coconut milk. Quality control is paramount. Each batch of coconut paste must meet strict texture standards before the water mixing phase. High-pressure pumps move the raw coconut milk paste to the blending station, where the transition to liquid milk begins. Precise amounts of purified, temperature-controlled water are now introduced to the concentrated paste to achieve the perfect coconut milk consistency.
The injection process is carefully measured, ensuring the ratio of water to coconut solids is exactly balanced for industrial-grade coconut milk.
Heavy-duty agitators work continuously, blending the ingredients into a uniform, silky coconut milk base ready for the extraction of the liquid. Advanced sensors provide real-time data, allowing operators to maintain total control over the coconut milk's physical properties. Now fully blended, the raw slurry is ready for the most critical phase, the high-pressure extraction of pure coconut milk from the fiber.
Massive mechanical pressure is utilized to squeeze every drop of moisture from the coconut fibers, ensuring maximum yield.
This is the birth of the raw product, pure, unrefined coconut milk, extracted through purely mechanical means. The spent fiber is separated and removed, leaving behind only the nutrient-rich liquid that will become the final coconut milk product.
To achieve a silky smooth texture, the raw coconut milk enters the centrifugal filtration stage, where remaining microscopic solids are removed. To achieve a silky smooth texture, the raw coconut milk enters the centrifugal filtration stage, where remaining microscopic solids are removed.
Secondary microfiltration provides a final safety net, guaranteeing the purity and clarity of every gallon of coconut milk.
Even the smallest particles are extracted, leaving behind a refined coconut milk that is ready for the critical fat content balancing phase.
Now fully filtered and clarified, the coconut milk is prepared for the next stage, standardizing the fat.
To ensure every batch of coconut milk meets exact dietary requirements, the liquid enters the standardization phase to balance its natural fat content. Computer-controlled dosing ensures that the coconut milk has the exact creaminess and flavor profile required for the brand.
Homogenization is the secret to a shelf-stable coconut milk, creating a permanent emulsion that remains smooth and creamy over time.
With the fat content perfectly standardized and the emulsion stabilized, the coconut milk is ready for the critical heat treatment phase. To ensure safety and a long shelf life, the coconut milk is now channeled into the thermal processing unit for rapid pasteurization.
Using advanced plate exchange technology, the coconut milk is flash heated, a process that kills pathogens while preserving the natural flavor.
Maintaining a precise temperature-time ratio is critical for the sterilization of the coconut milk without scorching the delicate proteins.
Immediate cooling stabilizes the coconut milk, locking in its creamy texture and preparing it for the sterile filling environment.
This aseptic buffer tank stores the purified coconut milk in a pressurized, oxygen-free environment, ready for the final packaging phase. The packaging process begins with the arrival of sterile containers, moving at high speed into the aseptic filling zone to meet the fresh coconut milk.
Ultraviolet light provides a final, invisible layer of protection, eliminating any microscopic organisms from the containers. In the heart of the filling station, a precision rotary system prepares to dispense the pasteurized coconut milk into the waiting bottles.
Every bottle of coconut milk is filled with surgical accuracy, ensuring consistency and quality in every single unit. Automated quality checks monitor every bottle, ensuring the coconut milk meets the exact volume requirements before the final seal is applied.
Each bottle of coconut milk is hermetically sealed within milliseconds, locking in freshness and preventing any external contamination.
Automated labeling systems apply the final branding and traceability codes, completing the individual unit production of coconut milk.
In the final stages, the coconut milk is palletized and prepared for the journey from the sterile factory floor to the global marketplace.
Controlled temperatures are maintained throughout the loading process to ensure the premium quality of the coconut milk is preserved during transit.
And this is how modern factories produce coconut milk from start to finish.